the first week of quarantine, I set you guys an exercise to have a go at home. And I had a lot of students send me photos of their work, and it looked like you'd all done it pretty well. But I know a few were having trouble with these. So this is the hardest question, 20. So we're going to learn how to do this by the end of the video. Okay. And to do this, all we need to know how to do is expand brackets and add like terms together. That's all we need to know, because this is expand and simplify. So adding like terms together, this is your simplifying. And expanding brackets, well, that's the expand part. Okay, let's start off with something simple. Okay, 2 bracket x plus y plus 3 bracket x plus y. Okay, so golden rule of expanding brackets, you've just got to multiply both things inside by the number outside. So 2, whoops, I need to get quicker at undoing my mistakes. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y, and then over here we've got 3 times x, 3 times y, 3y. Alright, 2x plus 3x makes 5x, and then we got 2y plus 3y makes 5y. So you can add variables together in the same way that you add regular numbers together. Alright, so everything that was yellow was put together like that, and everything that was blue was put together like that. Alright, let's try a slightly harder one. Alright, so number outside multiplies both things inside the brackets. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2y, 6y. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2y is 6y. Alright, we've got a subtraction going on here. So you've got to be careful with subtraction, because often students will forget about it and just leave the subtraction off the second one. So for this, you've got to be careful. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times y is negative 2y. So it's very common for this negative to be lost. And that'll lead to the wrong answer. Okay, let's put these together. So we've got 3x over here can be combined with a negative 2x. Those are like terms, right? And then we've also got 6y can be combined with negative 2y. So 3x minus 2x just leaves us with 1x, or x, and then 6y minus 2y is 4y. So we got all that. Alright, let's move on to a slightly harder one. So question 14 from that exercise. We've got 10 times x, 10x, 10 times 4 is 40, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 8 makes positive 16. So got to be careful with negatives. They combine. When you've got two of them, they go back to being positive again. All right. Now, if you had three of them, they go back to being negative again. Flip-flops. Okay. This time we don't have x's and y's. We've got numbers and x's. So numbers go with numbers, and x's go with x's. So we've got 10x minus 2x, 8x, and 40 and positive 16 makes 56. Oop. All right, and that's our final answer. Don't solve from here. I see a lot of students get to the right answer, but then they think that they need to find an answer for x. But whenever you're doing an expand and simplify problem, then you're just trying to make this into its simplest form, right? So it doesn't have an answer yet. It just has been simplified. Okay. All right. We are finally ready to attack the very last question. So, expanding the brackets, 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6x is 18x. 3 times negative 7, negative 21. 3 times, now we're moving on to the second one. Negative 5 times 2x, negative 10x. And negative 5 times positive 19 is negative 95. Okay, so we've got a lot of negatives here. When both of them are negative, then you're going to get even more negative. So your negative number is going to get larger. And essentially, it's the same as adding two positive numbers together. So adding two negative numbers together, putting them together, you're doing basically the same math. So 21 minus 90 plus 95 gets us 100 and 16. But it's a negative 116. And then 18x minus 10x leaves us with 8x. So our final answer is 8x minus 116. Okay, hopefully that helps you out with getting that exercise done.